Let me ask you something. Do you understand English, but struggle to make your own sentences? You know the words, you know some grammar, but when it's time to speak, you get stuck. If that sounds like you, don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you a simple way to build English sentences step by step. And by the end of this video, you will be able to make sentences with confidence. First, let's understand one important thing. An English sentence is like a small machine. Every sentence needs three basic parts: a subject, a verb, and sometimes an object. For example, I eat food. I is the subject. Eat is the verb. Food is the object. That's it. This is the basic formula. Subject plus verb plus object. Now let's make it even easier. Start with simple sentences. Don't try to speak big, complicated sentences. Start small. For example, I eat, I sleep, I work. These are correct sentences. Simple but powerful. Now step 2. Add more information. Let's take a simple sentence. I eat. Now we add more words. I eat rice. I eat rice every day. I eat rice every day at night. See what happened? The sentence became bigger, but still simple. Step 3. Learn the basic structure. Most English sentences follow this pattern. Subject plus verb plus time plus place. Example, I go to the gym in the morning. Break it. I, subject go, verb in the morning, time to the gym. Place now, step 4. Use common verbs. If you learn just 20 to 30 verbs, you can make hundreds of sentences. For example, eat, go make take see, come give work play. Now combine them. I go to school. I play cricket. I make videos. I take notes. Step 5. Practice speaking daily. Don't just read. Don't just listen. Speak, even if it's wrong, even if it's broken, because speaking is the only way to improve. Here's a simple exercise. Look around you and describe what you see. For example, I am sitting on a chair. I am using my phone. I am watching a video. This is called real-life practice, and it works fast. Step 6. Use I sentences first. Why? Because it's easier. Start with I am, I have, I go, I like. For example, I am learning English. I have a mobile. I like coffee. I go to college. Step 7. Don't fear grammar too much. Yes, grammar is important, but fluency comes first. If you wait to be perfect, you will never speak. So start speaking now. Improve later. Now let's do a quick practice. I will give you words. You make the sentence in your mind. Ready? I/play/cricket. Correct sentence. I play cricket. Next, she/watch/TV. Correct sentence. She watches TV. Next, they/go/market. Correct sentence. They go to the market. Now let's make it a little more advanced. Try adding feelings and opinions. For example, I like playing cricket. I enjoy watching movies. I feel happy when I speak English. This will make your sentences more natural and expressive. See, it's not difficult. You just need practice. Now remember this. Short sentences leads to clear thinking. Clear thinking leads to better speaking. Better speaking leads to confidence. So don't try to impress, try to express. Final tip, practice every day for just 15 minutes. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Talk to yourself. Yeah, it may feel strange, but it works. So from today, start building sentences. Start small, stay consistent, and never give up. Tell me in the comments, can you make English sentences easily? Yes or no? And I'll see you in the next lesson. Let's make English easy, fun, and powerful.